The 2027 Ford F-Series Super Duty Carhartt edition. That's it right there. Let's see exactly what this new package offers.
MOTROLIX.
All right, so here we have it outside, and in fact this is a new color for the 27 Super Duty. This is Neptune Blue, which is an awesome looking blue, if I may say so myself. So what we have here is a few interesting things, starting with, I think the most notable element here are the wheels. Check these things out. These are 20-inch wheels with a very unique design. They were inspired by Detroit manhole covers. This is something that was teased back in January by Ford at the Detroit Auto Show. There's quite a bit of detail here, starting with essentially this lip here. You have these elements here. There's 12 of them going all the way around the wheel, and then that design in there. So the wheels, 20 inches, wrapped in Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. So that's I think the most notable thing. Beyond that, there is the Carhartt logo right here on the front quarter panel insert here, along with this graphic that runs the length of essentially the doors. So here it is, Carhartt logo right there. And the texture here, the designers really made it a point to explain that this is a special kind of texture. If you feel it, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's got a bit of a rough texture to it. We're gonna go inside in just a minute, but before we do that, let's see what else we have on the exterior. Here's that wheel, the rear one this time. And here you can see that the same kind of graphic is present and accounted for here out back. Here, that texture, there it is. Carhartt logo right there. This one seems to have been scuffed up a bit, but we managed to get that out. So this really does serve as a kind of a protection on the tailgate itself. If we open the tailgate, what we will see is a few different things. First and foremost, all Super Duties equipped with the Carhartt package have the Ford Tough Bed, starting here on the inside of the tailgate and running, of course, the floor and the walls and the bulkhead. But if you look really closely, you'll see Carhartt, the Carhartt logo right there at the bulkhead itself. There is an interesting thing that is taking place here, I should note. This is something that's common to all 2027 model year Super Duties, and that is a change to the way that Ford executes the Tough Bed. So when you look at this spray and bed liner, essentially, you see that it's now feathered over here, whereas before it was hard masked along the edges. And this is something that Ford expects will actually reduce the amount of peeling of the Tough Bed when you're sliding items in and out from the tailgate. So you can see it here at the edge, and you can see it here at the edge. Let me see if I can focus on it. There it is, yep, at the edge of the tailgate itself there. Everything else about the bed is the same. So that is it. That's the exterior. You essentially have the decals on the doors, on the tailgate, back here, and of course the wheels, along with an all LED lighting setup. Now let's take a look inside. And inside, what you'll see is the seats. The seats is the first thing that you notice, that I notice at least, when I look at this. And I think it's the defining feature of the Carhartt Super Duty. So you see the Carhartt logo there and the unique texture. This is kind of like a brownish gray, maybe more brownish than gray. I'm not quite sure how it's coming across on the video, but there it is. It's a very unique cloth. You can see that there is some stitching here that's unique also to the Carhartt equipped Super Duties, and that same stitching then carries over to the bolsters, the sides over here, along with that there. And then besides that, you also have it on the seat bottom cushion right here. Beyond that, you can see that that same stitching also now carries over to the doors. There it is. and this part right here on the door as well. This is the only colorway, by the way, that you can get the Super Duty Carhartt in, at least for the 27 model year. Who knows what will happen in the future, but for the 2027 model year, this is the way it is. It's the black uppers, the gray lowers, and this very unique cloth that is really nice. In addition to that, you have that same stitching here on the actual armrest, and I believe that that's it. I believe that there is no other Carhartt logos anywhere else here, or any kind of unique accents at the front, at least, with the exception of these all-weather floor liners, and they have the Carhartt logo there, and of course the Super Duty right there. That's quite a nice touch. Let's take a look at how this looks in the back. The back has a bit more visible elements here, just because you have the backs of the front seats. There you have that stitching again. There's also this map pocket embroidery here, along with the Carhartt logo, of course, right there. And that same thing takes place over here on the driver's side. And then the actual rear seats, there we go. Same thing is taking place back here. Okay, so let me tell you about the availability of the 2027 Super Duty Carhartt package. So this is a package, not a special edition, not some kind of trim level. It is a package. It's available on the F250 and F350, single rear wheel only. And single rear wheel only because the dual rear wheel would have involved some engineering changes to the wheel that essentially wasn't possible to do. As far as the trim levels go, this is available on the XLT only. Crew cab, regular bed or long bed, and all trucks with the Carhartt package are 4x4s. Ironically, they do not have the 4x4 badge. As you can see at the back here, at the back of the box, and you have your choice of the 4 engines offered in the Super Duty. The 2 gas engines, so that's the Mini Zilla or the Mini Godzilla, and the regular, the actual Godzilla, and then there are the 2 output levels of the Power Stroke diesel. Not so fast about the 4 engine choices, as it turns out. So clearly I'm no longer in the same space as the Super Duty Carhartt was when I recorded the footage that you were just watching. But I'm here to interrupt the regularly scheduled programming to tell you that it is not actually 4 engines that will be offered on the Super Duty Carhartt. Instead, it will be only 2, the Godzilla and the high output Power Stroke. And that is because, incidentally, we just got news today, just a few days after I recorded that footage, we got word that the Mini Godzilla or the Mini Zilla and the regular output Power Stroke are being discontinued by Ford for the 2027 model year. So that brings the entire Super Duty lineup down to 2 engine choices, the regular Godzilla engine and the high output Power Stroke. So those will be the 2 engines, not 4, that the Carhartt Super Duty will be available with. And now back to the rest of the video. The Carhartt package is available with the FX4 package and the premium package, but it is not available with the Tremor package. And finally, as far as the exterior color selection is concerned, only 6 exterior colors will be on offer, including carbonized gray, Oxford white, Neptune blue, and 3 others. And that's essentially it. That's the 2027 Ford Super Duty Carhartt package. A very nice addition to what is otherwise a great truck. For FordAuthority.com and the MOTROLIX Network, I'm Alex Luft. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
MOTROLIX.